feels so right. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you guys missed me? Because I've definitely missed you guys. So anyway, today's video we are going to be making this delicious palm soup, so stay tuned. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is to wash my meat. You can use any meat of your choice. I'm using mutton, and yeah, so just make sure that you wash your meat properly. And what I'm going to do is to then put my pot on the cooker and start with my seasoning. So for seasoning, I'm using a bit of salt, not too much, and some aroma. I love using aroma, guys. In case you guys haven't noticed, I put aroma in all my dishes. So yeah, and I'm going to be using shrimp Maggi. I'm using 1 cube of that, and I'm going to season my meat with that. So next thing is my vegetables. So I've got onions, scotch bonnet, ginger and garlic. I chopped half of my onions and I left half of it chunky because I'm going to steam it with my meat. So now I'm sprinkling my onions on the meat, and then I'm going to put the rest of the vegetables on the meat so that it steams together. So here I'm putting my salted tilapia, and I'm going to cover it and let it steam for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes of steaming my meat, I'm going to take my vegetables out and I'm going to blend them all together and then put it back in the soup. So after putting in my blended pepper, I'm gonna mix it all together and cover it, let it steam for another 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it will be time for me to put in my palm nut. So I'm using this palm nut. It's really good. We use this all the time because it gives the soup a good flavor. So I'm putting like 2 big spoons in there, and then I'm gonna mix it all in and I'm gonna cook it for 5 minutes. So this is 5 minutes of it cooking. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put in my blended tomatoes, and then I'm gonna fill up the blender with water and then just pour that in, and then yeah, literally just leave my soup to boil. I baked some mackerel. I love baking mackerel because, you know, raw mackerel has like this fishy smell and fishy taste, and I really don't like it. So I usually bake my mackerel, and I'm gonna be putting that in the soup. It gives the soup a really nice flavor and it just tastes absolutely delicious. So yeah, after that I'm just gonna leave the soup to boil for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and then, you know, check on it and see how the soup is doing. So as you can see, our soup is nearly done. You can see that there's a bit of oil coming on the top. So how to know that your palm soup is cooked is if all those bubbles on the soup turns into oil, that means your soup is ready to be dished out. So I'm going to show you guys in a second. As you guys can see, our soup is ready because all the bubbles on top has turned into oil. So yeah, our soup is ready to be dished out. I normally prefer my palm soup to be a bit light, just like this. I don't really like having thick palm soup, especially if I'm gonna eat it with fufu. But if you prefer your palm soup to be a bit thicker, just put less water. But mind you, palm soup normally goes thick the next day, so yeah, don't start it off too thick. If not, it's gonna turn into stew the next day. But yeah guys, this is the palm soup. You can eat this with fufu, pounded yam, bengkung rice, fufu rice, anything of your choice. Here I'm dishing mine, I'm having mine with fufu. Sorry, this is not my fufu, by the way. This is my partner's fufu. So guys, don't come for me that I ate too much. this is not my fufu. But yeah, I'm gonna serve it up nicely. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you tried this and how it was for you. Please share this video with all your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.